This is my new garage. But a few months ago, this is what it looked like. In this episode of Home Center Secrets, I'm going to show you how I helped to build this garage. Because DIY doesn't mean you have to do everything yourself. Oh yeah. Good day! Building a sturdy garage like this is way beyond my DIY skill set, and maybe yours too. So I consulted with the good folks at Gooday Home Center, and I also hired a carpenter to do all the heavy stuff. I did a lot of the cleaning, I did a lot of the painting, I installed the shelves, I did more painting, I did more painting, I did a lot of painting. But I got to save a lot of money by doing that myself, and I also got my hands dirty and a lot of satisfaction. Because DIY does not mean do everything yourself. Do what you can do and enjoy it. Now, let me show you how we built this garage. This water sprayer makes this job super easy. Check it out. I'm going to paint it using this Happio Select Marvelous Weatherproof Resin Paint. This really does look like chocolate. I wish it was chocolate. I spent a lot of money on this wood. And I'm spending a lot of time building this garage, so I want it to last a long time. And that's why I'm going to put on a really good premium wood stain. This is Kishida Decor. And this brand, it's celebrating its 50th year anniversary. It's used all over Japan and the world for that matter. It's used on national treasures, cultural properties, and I used it on my deck last year. Works really well. It's got like fungicide in it and things that keep out bugs and rot, and it goes deep into the wood. Just applies really easily, doesn't create a new layer, so there's no flaking, and it looks good for years and years. I'm gonna put on 2, maybe 3 coats. And the secret here is put it on before you build your deck or your garage. It's a lot easier to put on before. So.
屋根側の方がいいです。
屋根の上ですね。
縦よりも真上に向けた方が効率よく充電できるんで。なるほど。
もう壁側で。
壁側で。
車で入ってドア開けると、よくぶつかるでしょ。はい、
かなりショックがあっても。はい。なんで大丈夫
ですね。So we've got plenty of shelves above us, but we want to make use of the space under the shelves as well too. So my wife Emiko had this great idea. These are double L hooks, and we're going to attach one to each of these pillars along the wall, and then we can hang all kinds of things here. Like for example, when we come back from shopping, we can just hook them up. This garage, it's a bit narrow, and when I open the door, bang, I could hit the wall. So I picked up this black cushion at Gooday, and I'm gonna stick it on the wall. Problem solved. Next, I'm going to mark the placement of these tire stops exactly where I want them. The next step is to make them permanently affixed to the ground. And for that, I found this at the home center. It's a dedicated glue for tire stops to cement. You just squirt it on here, put them back down, and you're done. My garage doesn't have electricity, so I had to come up with a solution to get some kind of light, and I found this. This is a sensor light, battery operated, and it has different levels of brightness and has 10 seconds, 30 seconds, and all triggered by this sensor here. But the best thing is you can place it anywhere you want. So for example, I could have it back here, and when the car pulls in, the light comes on.